Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Ultra Repair Lip Therapy is probably one of the most sought-after lip balms on the market, especially for those who struggle with persistent dryness, chapped lips, or even minor irritations. Its unique formulation is designed to provide intense hydration and promote healing, making it a go-to solution for anyone seeking relief and comfort for their delicate lip area. We'll dive deep into what makes this product stand out and whether it truly lives up to its reputation as a must-have in your skincare arsenal. Number 5. Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment. Trust the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for your lip care needs. It's the expert choice for healthy lips. This lip repair is clinically proven to effectively relieve dryness. It soothes chapped and cracked lips, bringing you comfort. Our formula is free from fragrance and parabens. It helps prevent dryness, providing long-lasting moisture for your lips. Enriched with nourishing vitamins, shea butter, and soothing chamomile essence. It provides the care your lips deserve. Experience continuous moisture that lasts. It keeps your lips feeling soft and protected throughout the day. This convenient tube contains 0.35 ounces of our effective lip repair ointment. Perfect for on-the-go application. What we like? This lip ointment is the top choice for those seeking trusted, effective relief. If your lips are frequently dry, chapped, or cracked, and you prefer a no-fuss, fragrance-free formula, this is the one for you. It's designed for long-lasting moisture and soothing comfort, making it ideal for everyday use or as a recovery treatment. What people say. This lip balm is a lifesaver for dry, chapped lips. It provides long-lasting hydration and leaves lips feeling soft and smooth. The texture is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for everyday use. Number 4. Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25. Introducing a revolutionary lip balm designed to protect and nourish. It offers superior sun protection and deep hydration for your lips. With SPF 25, it shields your lips from harmful UV rays. Keep your lips safe from sun damage throughout the day. Experience unparalleled moisture with this hydrating formula. It combats dryness and keeps your lips feeling soft and supple. This lip balm provides therapeutic benefits for chapped or dry lips. It soothes and repairs, restoring comfort and health. Enjoy long-lasting comfort and protection. It's the perfect everyday companion for healthy, happy lips. What we like? For sun protection and intense hydration, this lip balm is your go-to. If you spend a lot of time outdoors or are concerned about sun damage to your lips, the built-in SPF 25 is a game-changer. It offers a therapeutic blend to combat dryness while shielding your lips from harmful UV rays. What people say. This lip balm is a game-changer for dry lips. It provides long-lasting hydration and leaves lips feeling soft and smooth. The texture is lightweight and non-greasy, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. Number 3. Julep It's Balm Tinted Lip Balm in Vintage Mauve. Introducing Julep It's Balm, a versatile tinted lip balm that offers buildable color. Get ready for a natural gloss finish that enhances your lips. Infused with hydrating vitamin E, this balm keeps your lips moisturized all day long. It's the perfect blend of skincare and color. Experience a rich and creamy formula that glides on effortlessly. Enjoy long-lasting color that stays put without feeling heavy. This vintage mauve shade provides a beautiful semi-gloss finish. It's the ideal color for any occasion, offering a subtle yet noticeable look. Formulated with antioxidant-rich oils and sunflower wax, it nourishes your lips. Plus, it's completely vegan, so you can feel good about what you're wearing. What we like? If you love a touch of color and a natural sheen, this tinted balm is perfect. It offers the hydration of a balm with the added benefit of buildable lip color, allowing you to customize your look. If you're looking for a versatile product that hydrates, adds a hint of color, and provides a healthy gloss, this is an excellent choice for daily wear. What people say. It's moisturizing and the color lasts if you don't go crazy with it. The formula is creamy and feels nice. Doesn't wear down in a patchy or strange way or settle in lip lines. It goes on smoothly and seems to enhance my natural lip color. Also, it's moisturizing. Number 2. MAREE Overnight Lip Mask. Tired of dry, chapped lips? Our overnight lip mask deeply nourishes and restores moisture while you sleep. Wake up to a softer, smoother pout every morning. This hydrating lip butter provides intense moisture for even the driest lips. It shields your lips from harsh weather and dehydration, leaving them feeling plump and protected. Infused with hyaluronic acid, collagen, and a blend of nourishing oils and butters, this formula delivers ultimate lip care. Experience the power of 10 moisturizing ingredients working together. Crafted with skin-loving ingredients, our lip moisturizer provides gentle hydration and nourishment. It's perfect for sensitive lips and a great addition to any dry lip treatment routine. This silky mask glides on effortlessly, melting into your lips for instant comfort. Use it overnight or as a hydrating balm during the day for gorgeous, kissable lips. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This lip mask is an ideal self-care present for anyone who deserves a little pampering. Give the gift of soft, hydrated lips. What we like. This overnight lip mask is designed for those who want to wake up to visibly improved lips. If you suffer from very dry lips or want an intensive treatment while you sleep, this product is ideal. Its rich formula with a blend of powerful moisturizing ingredients deeply nourishes and restores, making it perfect for a dedicated lip care routine. What people say. This works AM and PM. Fantastic for super dry, cracked, peeling lips in the winter. My lips feel so much better. They are soft, very little dry skin, not chapped. This lip mask has a nice, subtle sweet scent that isn't overpowering at all. The texture is pleasant and smooth, and it applies easily on the lips. The jar contains a good amount of product, and I like that it comes with a small spatula for hygienic application. Number 1. Grace and Stella Award-winning Lip Butter. Discover our award-winning lip butter, a hydrating balm and nourishing mask in one. It's your perfect travel companion for soft, moisturized lips. Experience our juicy berry lip balm, recognized by the Beauty Shortlist Awards. It uses plant-derived ingredients like jojoba seed and shea butter to deeply moisturize without any sticky residue. Use it as a nourishing overnight mask for intense hydration and repair. Or, apply it as a daytime gloss for a shiny, berry-flavored pink finish. Our unique formula is clean, vegan, and free from parabens and sulfates. It's infused with nourishing oils and butter for deep hydration and irresistibly soft lips. Join millions of fans who adore this lip care essential. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves beauty and prioritizes self-care. We stand by our high-quality, vegan, and cruelty-free skincare. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right within 30 days. What we like. This award-winning lip butter offers a unique dual-purpose solution. If you appreciate clean, vegan beauty and want a product that can serve as both an overnight repair treatment and a daytime gloss, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those seeking effective, ethical skincare with a delightful berry flavor and finish. What people say. This product is super affordable and worked fast. A little goes a long way, hydrates, moisturizes, and makes your lips look pretty. It's very soft and smooth, smells great, and has been very hydrating for my lips. My lips were very chapped before and I've noticed great improvement with this product. It has made my lips so soft and it smells like a pink starburst as a bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.